Our new lead capture feature already makes things easier for you and your exhibitors. But I want to show you 2 more ways how you can make it more fun for your exhibitors and how you can get even more value for yourself. All right. Lead capture makes it really easy for your exhibitors to speak to people at your trade shows, at your conferences, collect their information, take notes, and follow up properly with them afterwards. However, an event can be super stressful. And one thing that I think everybody should know about is this. If you're taking notes about the person that you just spoke to, you can just use speech to text to write these notes. So this is the way it works. Your exhibitor types the qualifying questions in here and has a field for additional notes. And if you go into that note field, on any phone, Android or iOS, you see a button similar to the one below, which is essentially a text-to-speech or speech-to-text button. So once the exhibitor has finished talking to a person, they can just take a quick walk around the booth and dictate all their notes in there. And once they're done, they just press that same button again, and that's it. Isn't that impressive? So this is how easy you can make it for your exhibitors to take notes. But also for you as the event organizer, I want to show you one really cool thing. So, we have already a survey feature that allows you to make a survey available to attendees that they can fill out themselves. But sometimes you want your staff to run around the expo floor, talk to people, and get information in a personal chat. Now, you can also do that with the survey feature, but with our lead capture, you can one-up this. So all you have to do is to go to the Experience Manager and create a new company. I'm calling this one Survey Internal. I'm going to add this company. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add company representatives to it, and I'm going to give them access to the lead scanning or lead capture feature. What I'm also doing is I'm setting up a custom questionnaire. The next thing I'm doing is I'm making sure that in my sections, the company module only shows companies tagged as exhibitors, so that my secret survey module or my secret survey exhibitor doesn't show up. And what your staff can now do is they can use lead capture to scan somebody's badge or enter somebody's information and create a survey based off that person. And the really cool thing about it is you can enrich it with all the other data that you have about that person on your Experience Manager, making the lead capture feature a really powerful on-site personal survey feature for you and your team. I hope this inspires you. If you have any other ideas what you can do with lead capture, let me know.